Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw one of the sprays in Fortnite, and this one is going to be the trap warning. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin with, I'm just going to draw in kind of like a rounded triangle. So just draw in one slant, and then as we get to the top, just curl it. And we're going to come down. Now, as we get to the edge right here, just curl it, but a little bit less than the top. Then we'll just close it off. And then from there we can draw in. Let's just go ahead and come down on the edges right here. Just kind of curl it down and just come straight down. And then we'll just close it off with a straight line, and you can make it smooth out the corners a little bit. Okay, and then once we have that, let's draw in the overall outline of the sign. So this one's easy. We're just gonna give it some thickness to the line that we've drawn. And again, it's a spray, so it doesn't need to be all that accurate. It could be a little bit wobbly. Okay, so that's the overall sign. So let's draw the stuff inside. So for this one, let's draw in the little spikes on the bottom first, since once we have this, it'll be easier to fit the little guy up there. So we're just gonna draw one long rectangle. And then there's gonna be 5 spikes. So start out in the middle. Just draw one. And then we can come out to the edges and just draw one more. And one more on this side. And then whatever spaces you have in here, just draw one in between. Alright, so let's draw in the guy. So this one's pretty easy. We can start out with the head just on the corner here. Circle. And then we're going to come down and just kind of curve around it. And then we're going to go straight up for his arm. So hook his arm back in. And then for this one, come down. And then we're going to hook it back up. Now we're going to curve it. And then this is going to be the body. So we're going to come straight down. And then we're going to draw his leg. Just a little angle, just give it some thickness. And then the last one, we're just going to extend it. Straight leg. Alright, and then let's see, that was pretty easy, right? So now for the bottom, there's going to be 2 exclamation marks here. So I'm just going to draw one. And then there's another one on this side. And then there's going to be 6 little bars in there. So we can start out, we can draw, okay, let's draw 2 in the middle. So it's gonna have an overall slant to all these lines. And then we're just gonna, let's just keep going out. And this one's gonna be a little bit thicker. And again, if your spacing is off, it's okay, because it's supposed to be kind of rough anyways. Okay, so once we have this, let's add in some of the little details. Just a little hole there, and then we can add in some of the paint drippings. And then on the bottom here, this looks like to be a little bit of shadowing. So we can, just on the bottom right here, just draw in another line around it. So it starts right here and just make it a little bit thicker. So this is almost like a shadow. And then we can add in some little drippings in here. Alright, so now let's draw in the wall. So this one is going to be, I guess you don't have to draw this, but if you wanted to, it's going to be pretty simple. So we can just draw, I'll start out in the middle. Okay, it's going to go all the way through. And it's gonna be at different lengths. So we can draw one at this length, and then we're gonna start another one. We're gonna come down here, and then we're gonna continue this. Okay, so just continue that all the way through. And then once you have a pair of these, then all you have to do is just draw in the same one. So I'm gonna come up, just draw the same ones here. So for this one's gonna go out at this length. Alright, and then for the next one, we're gonna come out on this one. Go into the sign, and then again, it's gonna come out to this one. So you don't have to draw this, but just in case you do, it'd be kind of fun other than just showing the little spray. Alright, and then once you get to the top, just draw one block. Alright, and then let's finish up the bottom here. So all the way across. And then again on the bottom, we just draw one block. Alright, so now to make it three-dimensional is actually really easy. So from this point here, all these little corners right here, just draw in a slant. So I'm gonna draw a line there, line there, line there. Okay, so it's the same slant, and then once you have all this, you just connect them. And this one's just gonna come down. Okay, so that's one. So you can just draw in all these lines, and you can actually just draw in the lines first for all of them. Down, down, slant, and then let's connect them. So it's really simple. It'll make it look three-dimensional. So let's finish off that one. So then for these, we're gonna start on this edge right here. We're just gonna slant, slant, slant. And then this one's gonna go straight across. This is gonna be the bottom of the brick, so this one's just gonna go straight across, one long one. And finally, let's divide up the bricks a little bit. So there's gonna be 4 bricks, so we're gonna need 3 lines in here. So in the middle, we'll just draw one vertical line, and then from there, just divide it up again. And then for the next one, we're just kind of alternating. So just wherever in the middle is of these 2 lines, just draw one. So this one's gonna be here. So then we'll continue this one this way, this way. So we're just alternating. It's the same thing. Okay, well, we can't see anything here. We can't see anything here. Come down. This one is gonna go down over here. There's gonna be one here in the middle, and then lastly one more. And that is it for this trap warning spray in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.